Has your friend gotten sick? Do you feel bored and unhappy? Have you got no idea what to do? You're in urgent need of a stress ball right now. We have prepared new stress-relieving food recipes. They will make your day and fill up your stomach. Dolly and Redhead have big fish tanks with colorful Orbeez balls. They are so satisfying to play with, and it's great moving them in your hands. But there is one little problem. Dolly's colorful balls are too fragile. They fall apart right in her hands. It makes her unhappy. But Redhead is all right, probably because her Orbeez balls are all made of edible jelly. Dissolve jelly powder of different colors and flavors in water. Fill a syringe with it and pour the jelly into a ball-shaped silicone mold. Let it harden. Open the mold and take out the colorful beads. Put the jelly balls into a fish tank. Redhead gives some of her jelly Orbeez balls to her friend. Don't be afraid, taste it. It's very delicious. Dolly is perplexed. She thinks she shouldn't eat anything from a fish tank, but these big Orbeez balls are really tasty. Moreover, they are bright and colorful. Redhead is having a party today. She's invited her friends, but the guests are running late for some reason. No one comes or calls. It seems Redhead will be accompanied only by her golden antenna. That's a dream party! At last, Dolly comes and brings a gift card. Cool! But the card is not regular. It's edible. Print a wish inscription. Put wafer paper on it and trace the inscription with food markers. Make 2 pages in this way. Attach them to each other using icing lace. Use edible glue. Decorate the card with wafer butterflies. Use edible glue again. Put the butterflies on both pages. Redhead follows all the instructions on the card. First of all, she makes a wish. Then she opens the card. It says, "Eat me." Is it a prank or what? But the paper turns out to be edible. You can also eat the butterflies. It cheers up Redhead immediately. But Dolly has apparently drank too much of a cold cocktail. She must have gotten sick. Sorry, Redhead, but the party is over for me. Disappointed Redhead eats almost the entire card. Dolly's sickness is pretty serious. Her body temperature rises and her mood gets blue. She keeps moping and refuses everything, either vitamins or joy. But Redhead knows how to cheer up the sick girl and make her drink tea. She's prepared sugar for a drawing. We need sugar cubes. Draw symbols on the sweet cubes using food markers. Stars, hearts, flowers, leaves. The more the better. Dolly covers all the sugar cubes with drawings. You can find anything here. Put the sugar cubes with bright magic spells to recover right into the tea. Now, Dolly will get better at once. Redhead is cleaning her sick friend's room. However, Dolly apparently gets better. At least she has enough strength to hang on her phone and chat constantly. Hey, patient, you can clean up by yourself. But Dolly immediately pretends she's feeling bad. Well, okay, cheater, I'm leaving then. All right, I will have to make up for that. Dolly has a box with magic happy pills. Remove throat pastilles from a blister package. Take away the foil left over. Replace the pastilles with ring cereals. Make glaze on them like the one on donuts using writing icing. And decorate them with sprinkles on top. Take a cardboard box that is of the same size as the pill blister package and attach a tag to it. Write Happy Pills with a marker. Put in the mini donuts. Dolly pretends to be sick and calls for her friend to come. up closer. Happy Pills! Surprise! Redhead takes small donuts out of the package. These bright babies can take care of